In today's fast-paced world, finding balance is a challenge. Many are returning to nature for sustained wellness. Two powerful allies in this quest are turmeric and CBD. Individually, they are remarkable, but together they could transform mental health support. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a healing powerhouse. The secret lies in curcumin, the active compound that fights inflammation. Emerging research connects inflammation to mental health conditions like anxiety. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and enhance our mood through the increase of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. CBD, on the other hand, is known for its calming properties. It interacts with our body's endocannabinoid system, helping to restore balance when stress and anxiety arise. This subtle approach supports mood without a high, unlike THC. Now, let's explore their synergy. When combined, turmeric's anti-inflammatory benefits work with CBD's regulatory effects on stress responses, creating a comprehensive approach to mental wellness. This partnership could enhance neuroprotection and support mood stabilization. Choosing the right supplements is vital. Look for products that maximize the synergy between turmeric and CBD. Brands like SomaLeaf, Prosper Wellness, and Joy Organics are leading the way with formulations designed for better absorption and effectiveness. Real-life experiences highlight the benefits. Users have reported significant improvements in anxiety and stress management by incorporating both into their routines. If you're ready to explore this powerful combination, start with high-quality supplements, introduce them gradually, and always consult a healthcare professional before starting a new regimen. Embrace a holistic approach to mental wellness. For more information, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on health and wellness.